Well, thank you for that quick commercial break.
I told you not to start filming yet because I actually like.
Oh, I felt that.
It was an accident. Play ball and do all that in these. Excuse me. God. Fanta. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna be reading some positive comments from my vlogs. Excuse me.
It's pretty addicting, but it's not as addicting as cocaine though. Okay, why are you burping in my...
To be the next Marley and me, I'd love to be the next.
Sorry, what were you saying, Neil?
Oh!
It doesn't smell that bad.
Who does that though?
I do. Excuse me.
He's my favorite person. Not you.
Did you smell that?
No. Yeah, no, I smell it. No, I smell it.
So Alissa, what?
Excuse me.
Very rude.
I said excuse me. Excuse me. If you're stuck in the past, you're not gonna be able to move forward. Good job. I'm so sorry. I'm not that sorry. It's like kind of. Excuse me.
3-1. Dude, second video where you're just gonna burp the whole time?
It's my thing. It's what I do.
The red models, and they're literally saying smash or pass. For the past 2 hours, I've been watching these videos. Alissa, come on, the camera's on.
Did you start recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Oh. You're so...
Oh my god, ew. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Excuse me.
Wrong day. Alissa Marie.
In June 2015, and I've been here ever since. Excuse me.
Can you stop burping? Seriously. We have a whole video to do and we haven't even started.
I just puked in my mouth.
Yeah. Tiramisu.
How am I supposed to know that?
Actually, my throat.
I'm so sorry.
Again?
I'm sorry.
We say, like, not even a joke, all jokes aside, like, why do you do that so much?
Because it comes up right when it's like, I can't help when the camera's on me, but like, I'm not kidding. Almost every single video.
You burp on camera?
No, I don't mean to though. I just have to burp. Oh, okay.
Oh! Ooh, I felt that in my mouth!
I'm gonna go see that. Gonna get ices. Alissa, Jesus Christ, can you keep your bodily functions inside for the 5 minutes that I'm vlogging, please?
Sorry.